My name is Jesus Estrada, and I've been working here 28 years now. It's going to be 28 years.
I'm Mary Easterling, and I've been in the boot business for 31 years, starting in 1992.
Yeah, I got interested in making boots because my dad, it's all my family has been in the boot business. As a matter of fact, my dad used to work here in this same place.
I had a typewriter that was like so old school, and we were so happy when it got corrective tape because I could correct things.
El Paso is known for being the boot capital of the world.
This has been a boot making facility for back in probably the 50s.
To spend time doing our art. I call it an art because that's what it is. But here at the Easterling Boot Factory, we definitely make the best boots.
Hello,
That's good. Okay, great.
I'm Lloyd Easterling, and this marks my 57th year in the boot business. I knew that I would be making boots back in the 60s because I needed a job, and my mother told me, son, you need to go over to Acme Boot Company and apply for a job. And the guy asked me, when can you come to work? And I said, right away. He said, be here at 1 o'clock. And there I got to experience the real art and craft of truly handmade custom footwear. It was an awakening. We exemplify those ideals of production and quality and boots that make a difference to our customer base. We continue to make our boots with perfection. We do the same 40-penny nail, and we do the hand pegging, and we cut the leathers to stretch every pair, every piece of our boot, the tops, the feet. Everything is custom made. It's a craft, one that I don't think any other company does today to our extent. The ultimate passion in this business is when you deliver that custom boot to a customer, they put it on, and they stand there and a smile appears on their face and they say, wow.